Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious restaurant style Paneer Do Pyaza. The recipe of this is very short and quick and it's so tasty. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहउछंती देन तळे थिया डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स लिंक को चेक करंतु. To start with the recipe, heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a kadai. Shallow fry 300 grams of paneer cut into big pieces. Flip and fry from both sides. These are perfectly golden brown in color now. Take them out in a plate. Shallow fry all the pieces like this. Now in the same oil, add 3 diced onions. Saute the onions till they are soft and take them out in a bowl. Now to that add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 green cardamom pods, 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 bay leaf and 7 to 8 black peppercorns. Saute for a minute. Then add 1 inch of julienne cut ginger and 1 big onion finely chopped. Saute till the onion turns golden brown. At this stage you can remove the bay leaf if you want. Then add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and saute till the raw smell is gone. Now add 1 tomato. I have finely chopped the tomato. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes and then cover and cook till tomatoes are mushy. Our tomatoes are cooked now. Add salt as per taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of coriander powder and 2 tablespoons of water. Cook the spices for 3 to 4 minutes and then cover and cook for 2 minutes. The spices are cooked now. Add 1 crushed black cardamom, 1 tablespoon of Kasuri methi. Give it a mix. Now take 1/4 cup of curd and add 1 teaspoon of sugar to it. Mix well and add to the gravy. Give it a good mix. Now add the paneer and onions. Mix them well with the spices. Cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. And finally add few chopped coriander leaves and give it a mix. Our delicious restaurant style Paneer Do Pyaza is ready. This is a quick and easy to make restaurant style paneer recipe. This goes perfectly well with chapati, naan or rice. So do give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.